Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back my to channel, my friend. My name is M Ansori. My name 1x073016. My nickname M Ansori. Okay, in English. Difference engine in early calculating machine, verging on being the first computer. The Science of Party Builds During by Carles Babbage was an English mathematics and investor. He invented the quarter reformed the bricks portal system and was a pioneer in the fields of operation research and calculating science. It was Babbage who first suggested that is whether of years past could be read from the bricks. He also had a bifurcation with K calculators and an engine mechanical doors automation. As a founding member of the Royal Automatic Society, Babbage had seen a clear need to design and build automates long, tedious astronomical calculation. He began by writing a letter in 1x22 to Sir Hubbard Day, President of the Royal Society, about the possibilities of automating that construction of mathematical tables, special logarithms tables for use in the navigation. He then wrote a paper on the practical principles of the machine of calculating tables, which he read to Society later that year. It won the Royal Social First Gold Medal in the tables that in the use often contained errors was caused by a leaf, and that's matter of solidity. And Babbage argues that by automating the production of the tables, he could assure their accuracy, having gained support in the society of his difference engine. As a equivalent it, Babbage next turned to the British government to fund development, obtaining one of the world's first government gets for race technology development. Babbage advocates the project that machine set up fear-proof workshop and boosts the desktops environments for testing the device on until the calculation really carries out the more than 6-digit double plans to produce 20 or 30-digit results roundtrip. The difference engine was a digital device. It operates on discrete digits rather than smooth quotient, and the digits were decimal 019, replaced by position on the other was rates that the binary digit bit that's the German. The difference engine was more than a simple calculator. However, its machines on just a single calculation but was series of calculation on a member of variable to solve a complex problem. It went for Bayes' calculation in order was as well like modern computers that the first engine had strong, that is, a plans where data could be held temporarily for later processing, and it was designed to step its output into soft metal which could later used to production. An engine blocks its structure, which contains the cylinders and other parts of an internal combustion engine. In early automotive engine, the engine blocks consist of just the cylinder blocks, to which a spread corrections was attached. Modern engine blocks typically have the crankshaft inserted with the cylinder blocks as a single component. Engine blocks often also included elements such as coolants, passage, and oil gillers. The term cylinder blocks is often used in crudely with engine blocks. Allows technology the blocks of a modern engine. Multiplier cylinder is a single component which becomes a mobile, and common trend of engine blocks is simply block. The main structure of engine block included in any many parts. Typical contents of the cylinder: coolant passage, oil gillers, crankcase, and cylinder. The first production engine of the two usually used parts components of each of the elements was were bolted together during engine assembly. Modern engine, however, of combustion many of these elements into a single component in order to reduce corrosion. A cylinder block is the structure which contains the cylinder, plasma cylinder sleeve, and coolant press. In the early it is blocks. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. Is video next. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.